Guys, we are on Bamboo Bay Beach in Hanover at the Grand Palladium Hotel. As you can see, we have a lot of people on the beach. We have a lot of people on the beach, guys, and it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. Guys, this is a nice place to come and relax for your vacation. So Sister's Kitchen is here, relaxing today. We are here for a week, going home tomorrow, and I'm sure I'll be back soon. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in a few days on Sister's Kitchen channel. Thanks and bye. Okay guys, I'm in the lobby, I'm waiting for my bus. There's a lot of people here. This is all our luggage over here. Just waiting for time for the bus to come in and leave. I had a good time here. Could be better. Hopefully next time we come with more people so we could enjoy yourself. But this year again, but next year, hopefully, my YouTube channel may get off and go viral so I could come back here soon. That's all I have to depend on right now. Guys, see you guys later on. The guys are buses here, we're going to leave soon. We're getting our luggage on the ground still, we're going to put them in the bus. Looking for the driver. And then we'll be on our way to the airport.